They tried to bury us here, in these cobblestones, stained with blood and palm oil. But look at us now. Salvador's streets don't just remember Africa. They are Africa. This is where Black Brazil refuses to be a whisper. It's a scream, a dance, a prayer that shakes the earth. You step into Pelourinho, and the air clings to you. Dende oil, fried shrimp, and the salt of 1,000 tears. This plaza was once a whipping post. Now it's a stage, a capoeira. Rhoda spins, bodies defying gravity. Mandigueiro! They shout. Warrior! And you realize they're talking to you. A baiana in white lace offers acarajé. Eat, she says. This is the food of Orixás. They've been waiting. At dusk, you climb to Rio Vermelho. The sea is Yemanjah's mirror. Women chant Odoya as they cast flowers into the waves. A Mãe de Santo grips your wrist. You're Egungun, she says. Her ancestor returned. You don't understand until the drums start. Your knees buckle. The rhythm isn't in your ears, it's in your marrow. Later, a drummer shows you scars on his instrument. These marks, they're not cracks. They're where the ancestors escaped. Carnival here isn't a party, it's a revolt. In the Blocos Afro, 10,000 black bodies become a single pulse. Eh, 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 they chant. You're handed a drum. Play your ancestor's name, yells a man with Zango's crown. You fumble, but the crowd roars. Su negro, su forte, su Bahia. I'm black, I'm strong, I'm Bahia. In this sea of skin, mahogany, ebony, copper, you're not seen. You're recognized in San Joaquim. Market, a vendor hands you a nut. Castaña, she says, tastes like your avo's hands. You chew, and it's true. It tastes like Georgia pecans, like memory. At a plastic table, a cook serves moqueca. Shrimp, coconut milk, donde. The Portuguese stole our bodies, she says, but we stole their taste. Now even their grandkids crave our flavors. You laugh until you cry. Salvador doesn't hide its scars. In the favelas, boys dribble past bullet holes, but their joy, unbreakable. A teen points to Zumbi's mural. He's not a hero, he's family. At night, you sit with sambistas under a jackfruit tree. A guitarist sings, A senzala viru cidade. The slave quarters became a city. You add, and the city became an anthem. They nod. Axe, brother, pass the cachaça. They told us the middle passage was the end, but in Salvador, the ocean whispers secrets. You think you lost your tongue? It says. Then why do you hum Saranda like your mother sang it? Why do your hips sway like the Congo? Salvador isn't a city. It's proof. Proof that they couldn't drown us. Proof that Africa didn't die. It multiplied.
Ya no se puede confiar, la gente ve solo dinero y likes en el Instagram. Muy poco queda real, por eso baby es que te espero para ti poderte amar. Solo tú, baby, es que no lo ves. Todo el mundo anda en falsas relaciones. Lo que yo quiero tener es algo real, algo para los dos. Baby, es que no lo ves. Todo el mundo anda en falsas relaciones. Lo que yo quiero tener, sin Photoshop, sin freno, amor del bueno. Lo que ves por internet, eso no es la realidad. Es como si tú maquillas la verdad. Ahora yo pienso que será de nuestro futuro en la sociedad. Vivimos por la crítica, nuestra vida es pública, ya no se comunica, Se perdió mucho valor, no está de moda el amor, ser malos es nuestra realidad. No se trata de perder, pero baby, es que a veces no entendemos que esa es la pieza para armar el rompecabezas. Si ganó alguna vez es porque perdí veces. Es que así te dura en la vida y pa' eso no hay salida. Baby, es que no lo ves. Todo el mundo anda en falsas relaciones. Lo que yo quiero tener es algo real, algo pa' los dos. Baby, es que no lo ves. Todo el mundo anda en falsas relaciones. Lo que yo quiero tener, sin Photoshop, sin freno, amor del bueno. Se tapan los ojos y brillas. Pa' mí eso es un golpe bajo. Le piden a Dios de rodillas. Todo pero menos trabajo. No sé qué tengo que transmitir, pero que el mundo vuelva a fluir. No sé, amor es la clave del vivir. Y si no, pues para qué existir. No se trata de perder, pero baby, es que a veces no entendemos que esa es la pieza para armar el rompecabezas. Si ganó alguna vez es porque perdí